What's up guys, welcome to back new another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix app not installed as app is not completed with your phone. Okay, let's start it. Follow my all step. First your phone settings. Now click your phone settings. Scroll down now. Now click apps. Now search your Google Chrome browser. Now search your Chrome browser. Now click your Chrome browser. Scroll down now. Now click storage. Now click clear cache. Now click clear data. Now click clear all data. Now click OK. Now click permission. Now your all permission. Now your all permission. Go back. Now your Google Play Store app. Now click your Google Play Store app. Now click your icon button. Now click your settings. Now click about. Now click Play Store version. Now click update Play Store. Now click. Now your phone restart. Now click your phone restart. Now click your phone restart. By doing your process, now your problems app not installed. Now your problem fixed. Now your problem solved by doing your problem. Thanks for watching my video and subscribe to my channel.